Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We're doing salmon again, and salmon is, my favorite fish. I love my salmon. But anyway, today let's give you a nice, lovely barbecue salmon, and something totally different on the menu. You can try it at home. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to the channel and get more recipe and more ideas from Chef Ricardo's ideas. And I know someone will like this recipe. But anyway, today we want to simply say to you guys, remember, if you got too much money and you want to donate something to Chef Ricardo, you're free. There's a button on the top. Just click to the button and you can donate anything you have, even £1. I'll be happy for that. Same way, we're building a brand new studio and we have a far way to go. And some people so far donate to us. We want to say thank you so much, guys. And there's no problem. You can always donate through PayPal. So thank you so much, guys. And remember, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. And remember, get a copy of the cookbook. There's a 50% off at the moment. And we have a lot more stuff coming. See you next time. Bye-bye. Lovely. Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today I'm going to give you a nice, lovely, simple recipe. It's going to be salmon. It's going to be some barbecue salmon. And I know you guys are going to love this one. Look at this, beautiful. I got 4 lovely pieces of salmon inside of that bowl right here. It's a recipe which is going to be very easy and simple to prepare. Alright? Basically, let's put that right here like that, so you guys can see exactly what's going on inside of the bowl. First of all, what we're going to need to do is get a little bit of fish seasoning, roughly half teaspoon of fish seasoning. You can use your favorite kind of seasoning what you like to use. And a pinch of paprika. And as I said, use your favorite kind of seasoning you like to use. You don't need to use my kind of season, what I'm doing, but it's just ideas what you can do at home. Something totally different. Alright? And I know you guys are gonna love that one. So, then second thing, we're gonna pop a little bit of olive oil. Like that. Pinch of mixed herb. Nice one. Basically, I'm gonna use this jerk barbecue sauce. You don't have to be this barbecue sauce. You can use your favorite barbecue sauce which you like to use at home, or you can buy one at local shop or supermarket. So I'm just giving you the idea what you can do. So basically, what I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. But this one is a jerk barbecue sauce, but not really too spicy. Alright? As you can see. Roughly a nice, good, lovely 4 tablespoons. Next thing, I'm gonna use some ketchup on it. Lovely. Basically, make sure you got our gloves, and all you're gonna do is just rub it up like this. Alright? Nice and lovely. Barbecue salmon. You can serve with anything you like. The next thing what you need to do, lay it in a tray like this. As you can see. Just like that. Lovely and nice. Rest of the sauce, simple. Just put it on top of it like this. Nice one. So as you can see, all the sauce look on it, on the salmon. And now what we're gonna do, the first thing you need to do is to preheat your oven, guys. That's one of the main things. You can put honey, you can put other seasoning if you like, but I just want it just natural like this. Something very easy and simple, which is not gonna take too long to prepare. Alright? Basically, preheat your oven. Basically, if you're using a gas mark oven, gas mark 7 or 6 is good for it. And you can bake this for 20 to 25 minutes inside of your oven. If you use a different kind of oven, 175 is good for 20 minutes to 25 minutes. Alright? Enjoy the recipe. As I said, barbecue salmon. You can serve it anything you like with. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, that's the barbecue salmon which I just take from the oven. But it's just something totally different, you know what I mean, to give the fans them, you know, something where you can try at home every time. A lot of people doing barbecue stuff, you know what I mean. You can try some barbecue salmon for summer. You know what I mean? Nice, easy recipe, nothing too complicated. And as you can see, I'm gonna share it out, put it on a plate, and make you can see the way it looks. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. I just share it out, guys, and as you can see the way it look, salmon and rice with a little bit of salad on the side. So enjoy the recipe, and remember you can try it at home, and leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Remember you can donate to the YouTube channel and get more recipe ideas and tips from Chef Ricardo. Donate is for free. If you got too much money, you can donate, and you can also buy my cookbook and online. We're coming out with a brand new studio, and that's what we are working towards. So guys, thank you so much, and that's why we're raising the fund to get the studio. Thank you so much, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and see you next time. Bye bye.